Hello everyone, welcome to Indian School of Physics. Guys, this is Nitin here, and today there is announcement of Champs JEE Advanced 2026 course, and it's a signature course normally for JEE Advanced, and we have been fortunate that some of the best students of India have been part of this batch. So. Uh, in this batch, you are going to have complete access of 11th and 12th course, and along with the last year's complete lectures, plus this year's live lectures of new problems. If you remember, I would have shared. I have shared one booklet of amazing problems. So those books also will be part of the discussion. I released it before main. Some of you must be having it. These are some of our good students who appeared in JEE Mains 2024. Abhinav Chabra, Parv, Saukarya, Satyendu, and many more. So luckily, there are so many 100 percentilers in physics. And similarly, for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced 2025 results also, you can see this is JEE Mains result. And yeah, so some of the good students here who became part of champs and regular courses. These are, by the way, 100 percentilers in physics. Okay, so this course will start from February 5th, and yeah, during the board exams we'll have some classes when there is a holiday of 3 or 4 days between two consecutive exams, so there will be some classes. So in this, as I told, you'll have complete access of regular 11th and 12th batches and all the lectures previously conducted on INSP website. So these are having all long courses, and you'll have the access till your JEE Advanced exams. You'll have subtopic wise assignments along with the solutions. You'll have my book, Concept of Physics, we call it COP, and trust me guys, this is the best study material you can use for JEE Advanced preparation, and it has everything you need for your JEE Advanced preparation. Best set of problems, hand-picked problems are present in this. So during your JEE Advanced preparation, from here onwards, this will be the main source of study, main source of practicing problems. Along with that, you will have the question bank exam portal on the website, where you can create exams on any subtopic to strengthen those concepts. You'll have 100 self-created advanced and mains tests on portal. See, this number is just 100. If you can finish more than that, then I will increase that limit. Normally 100 mock tests will be more than sufficient. So live and recorded revision classes will be there. These are problem solving classes, let me tell you. And you'll have some full tests for JEE Advanced, and there will be 10 tests of PCM, and along with that there will be some physics test of past years, which I'll open for a limited time. So if you write those tests, you can see how your seniors, earlier students have performed and what kind of rank they have got. So it's a registration will open today, 30th January 2026, and we'll close it by 15th February 2026. So anyone preparing for Advanced 2026 and beyond can attend the course. So yeah, it will be valid till May 2026, basically till your JEE Advanced. So this is the INSP website, inspEdu.in, and guys, trust me, the kind of resources you are going to get here will be unmatchable. And yes, it is in the end you have to grind hard. The more you'll study, the more benefits are going to come to you. And INSP is known for its best of the best resources, and trust me, physics will never be the same again. And all the very best for your exams. So see you soon in the classes. Thank you. Thanks for watching this.